Advantages ng legal ng freelance visa. You don't need an NOC. Hindi mo kailangan mag-WPS. You can sponsor your family, including your spouse, your parents, your children. You can have a driving license. You can acquire or ask for a higher compensation kasi nga po legal kayo. You can make your own contract which is bound that it is a liability of the company that will pay you. Hindi ka matatakot. Okay? You can travel anywhere. Even every day. Kasi nga maganda yung position mo. At kung sakali man na ma-check ka sa kahit na anong lugar or mag-checking sila, you are a legal freelance visa. You can always show your papers, which is a complete papers with the permit. Yun po yung sinasabi nating legal na freelance visa. So sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam na kung ano ito, maaari naman po kayong pumunta sa mga seminars namin during Mondays, Fridays, and Saturdays, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. dito sa aming office at 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. sa morning. We are trying to get a Sunday event para sa inyong lahat and we will let you know kung anong oras ang Sunday event namin para naman doon sa may Sunday day off. Another thing, ang pinaka-importante dito is yung may peace of mind ka. Na yes, after 2 years, hindi ako matatakot na i-cancel ang visa ko ng via case or in this 2 years, walang magka-cancel sa akin kundi sarili ko lang kasi it is my own visa. It is self-sponsored visa. Sino bang magka-cancel sa'yo, di ba? Kundi sarili mo lang. And another thing, this seminar is not free. It is a paid seminar and we do have an online seminar during Tuesdays at tutulungan namin kayo on how to acquire this and explain it better.